VW has a remarkable rail-based logistics network, with almost all of their assembly plants in Europe connected to the rail network. Probably the largest components factory is Kassel, where they make gearboxes, and Salzgitter in Germany, and Polkowice in Poland, where they make engines. The largest pressworks in the European group is in Wolfsburg. You can see there is quite a concentration of component production in northern Germany, but a decentralisation of vehicle assembly, largely to countries where labour and social costs are lower than in the Federal Republic. This separation of component production from car building that used to be called specialisation in the UK is very flexible and allows the company to react quicker to market changes, but does mean that large quantities of car sub-assemblies cross Europe on a daily basis. Not that the freight railways of Europe are complaining. These trains and many others run south of Břeclav to Bratislava, a rather overlooked line that parallels the Austrian border. We'll follow the route shortly, but we haven't finished with Břeclav yet. All of the three countries with borders near Břeclav have substantial chemical industries nearby. Slovakia has SLOVNAFT at Bratislava, Austria has OMV southeast of Vienna, and the Czech Republic has UNIPETROL PARMO at Pardubice. To these should be added the Hungarian MOL group, now owners of SLOVNAFT, who refine and crack near Budapest. It should therefore come as no surprise to see a considerable volume of tank wagon activity both by trainload and wagonload. This includes the transport of chlorine, a very dangerous chemical, but one essential to the plastics industry.